Hi everyone! Today I'm going to share how to make this heart frame chain bracelet variation 1. Alright, so let's get started. In order to make this bracelet, we need 3 strings. For the chain, we use purple here and we need 200 centimeters or 6 feet 7 inches. And for the 2 hearts, we need 2 strings in different colors, and each one needs 150 centimeters or 4 feet 11 inches. First, make a cross with the centers of the 2 strings of the hearts. Be aware that the string which comes on the left here is going to be the first heart frame color. Take the purple string and make 1 larkhead knot on the cross part of the 2 strings. Set the strings as shown and attach it to the working surface. Take the purple string and make 6 backward-forward knots onto 2 pearl strings. Flip the side and make 6 forward-backward knots onto 2 pink strings. Form the loop and attach it firmly on the working surface. Set the strings from the right: purple, pearl, pearl, pink, pink, and purple. The first heart frame will be the pearl color. Here I made 2 hearts and we're back to the start. Take the purple string on the left and make 1 forward-backward knot onto 2 pink strings. This only applies to the very beginning, right after you make the initial loop. You see the created angle made with this additional knot on the left side. Take the pearl string on the right and make 3 double backward knots as shown. Take the same pearl string that you just used and make 1 backward-forward knot onto the chain string on the left. Take the pearl string on the right and make 1 double forward knots onto the chain string on the right. Take the right pink string and make 1 forward-backward knot onto the right chain string. Take the same pink string that you just used and make 1 double backward knot onto the other pink string. Take the pearl string on the far right and make 1 backward-forward knot onto the chain string. Take the right pink string and make 1 forward backward knot onto the chain string. Take the pearl string on the far right and make 1 double backward knot onto the chain string. Take the pearl string on the left and make 3 double forward knots onto the other strings as shown. Now 1 heart is completed. Now we make the chain part. Take the chain string on the left and make 5 forward backward knots onto the 2 pink strings. Take the chain string on the right and make 5 backward forward knots onto 2 pearl strings. As I said, every chain part between 2 hearts are made like this: 5 forward backward knots on the left and 5 backward forward knots on the right. Second heart is the mirror image of the first heart. The left pink string, make 3 double forward knots. The same pink string, make a forward backward knot onto the chain string. The left pink string, make 1 double backward knot onto the chain string on the left. The left pearl string, make 1 backward forward knot onto the chain string. The same pearl string, make 1 double forward knot onto the other pearl string. The pink string on the left, make 1 forward backward knot onto the chain string. The pearl string on the left makes 1 backward forward knot onto the chain string. The pink string on the far left makes 1 double forward knot onto the chain string. Take the pink string on the right and make 3 double backward knots onto the other strings as shown. As I explained, the following chain part is made by 5 forward backward knots on the left side and 5 backward forward knots on the right side using each chain string. You can finish the bracelet after reaching the desired length with 2 of the 3 strand braids. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you soon.